Hi there, welcome to Green Outdoors. My name is Scott and thank you for tuning in. This is a belated video recorded in May with the bluebells out en masse and in full bloom. This is a bit of a rough and ready camp. Viewing the footage was a bit all over the place and I hadn't even been drinking yet. No mate, right next to us. Even after 6 months I'm not even sure if he'll have. It doesn't seem right. Then you hear that frog? Very pretty. Ooh. So we're approaching that bit where it becomes a bit more sketchy. Okay. So there are pathways, but yeah, I don't think there. I think there's just one more gate, public footpath gate. Go for it. Water the gate, make sure it grows properly.
So good at night. I mean, I remember vividly, he had one bad night where it was truly atrocious. Like,
Has water in it as well. Ew.
Marry me. So she was born. Let's have a look. So she was born in the October. I've got Aurora. Rainbow? What's wrong with Rainbow? Right in front of the camera.
Oh, my ass is actually. I feel sorry for these bluebells that I've been crushing, but I can put plenty more before these bluebell flowers around there. I'm actually going for the forest ranger look today.
I'm going for these are my old and cheap first ever pair of hiking trousers. Look, I think that's what they are.
Are they?
That have mastic on them because I've worn them on site.
Mastic. I love that word anymore. don't know if you can see it, but there's a few deers running through. Oh, I just caught them. See that deer? That deer was about 10 meters away from me under a down tree, and I couldn't get my camera out quick enough. It's still there. It's obviously just right there. It's obviously not seeing me as much of a threat anymore. It's trying off. Thank you for watching. As mentioned in my previous videos, I have a few videos coming out in the next few weeks, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Again, my name is Scott. Thank you for watching.